let's get your details of how there has been a rise in COVID cases in the country, and particularly in Delhi. There's been a noticeable surge in COVID cases. As per the Health Department data, New Delhi's recorded 2,495 fresh cases and 7 deaths on Tuesday. One of the most alarming factors is the positivity rate. The positivity rate in Delhi has gone up to 15.41%. On Sunday, Delhi recorded a positivity rate of 17.85%, which was the highest since January this year. The total caseload in Delhi stands at 8,506, up from 7,484 a day before. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said that although the cases are on the rise, there's absolutely no need to panic, asserting that in most cases patients have mild symptoms. He said all necessary steps are being taken to curb the rise. Overall, if you look at the data nationwide, India has seen a rise in COVID cases, a gradual one. India reported 12,751 COVID cases on Tuesday and 42 fatalities.
कोविड तो बढ़ रहा है, उस पे नजर भी रखे हुए हैं. अगर कोई भी कदम उठाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी हम उठाएंगे, लेकिन मामले बहुत ही माइल्ड हैं. मामूली सा बुखार है.
Let's take this across to Shreya Chatterjee. She's joining us live with more details on this. Shreya, good morning. Can you give us details really of what the government is doing to contain the spread of COVID and ensure that, they nip it in the bud, essentially?
Well, Akshita, in the kind of arrangements that's required when a COVID surge is needed, we see that the Delhi government says that they are better prepared this time, and obviously they have the number of beds, the number of ICU beds, and the oxygen availability that they require. On the other hand, what we do see that there has been a consecutive rise in COVID cases for the 5th consecutive day. 2,000 cases have been the surge for every 5 consecutive days in the national capital, and however, what we also see that experts believe that this time the cases are less harmful. There are more of mild symptoms, and people are also resorting more to home isolations. That being said, the matter of concern is that probably testing is also not at its very best, because people are also going through the COVID fatigue phase, and that's the reason so there is a slack in testing as well. Given that entire scenario, there needs some experts also believe that probably some curbs needs to be in place. Delhi right now is already touching a positivity rate of 15%.
All right, Shreya, thank you very much for joining us with all of those details.